Hello everyone, welcome to Framework Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in the Python programming series, we were dealing with the matrices, the Numpy matrices. So let's start with one more program in this particular series. So here I am creating a new file, and this time I am going to tell you the matrix operations which you can perform directly with the help of Numpy matrices. So from Numpy import asterisk, and here I have taken like what operations I am talking about. I am talking about matrix addition, subtraction, and the product, for which you have to take multiple loops. You have to create a big program. New like a number of line of codes are there when you create these matrix addition, subtraction, or product program in different languages like C, C++, or Java, or even C Sharp. But here, in the case of Python, the things are different. You can directly create this kind of operation with the help of numpy matrices so easily. So let's see that how you can create. So here I am just creating a 3 by 3 matrix. My laptop is getting a bit hang. I'm sorry for that. So here I'm just going to print M1 and M2. So let's print M1 and M2. Just for the representation purpose I'm printing, so it would be easier to understand in the output what's happening. My laptop is getting hang. So here I have printed both the matrices, and now if you want to perform say matrix addition, so it's really simple. You do not have to use any loop. You do not have to worry about any for while loops here. So this is so simple. Directly you can add the matrices. If you want to go for the subtraction of matrices, that is also so simple. You just have to use the minus symbol here and you can subtract. So it will be just like the actual matrix multiplication, addition or subtraction. And yes, if we talk about the matrix product, that is the largest program, the longest program which you create in C language and other languages when you are working on the product of matrices. So here I am taking product. So if you want to do the matrix multiplication, or you can say matrix product, so you just have to use this asterisk symbol, and this will be giving the correct output, that is row into column thing, as you do in mathematics. So here you can see these are our two matrices, and this is the addition. You can compare it. 3 plus 1, it's working properly. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So every output is correct. And in the matrix subtraction also you can see 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So we are getting the correct output. And for the matrix product also, the row into column mechanism is going on as it should be in the case of matrix multiplication. So it's so easy to create these operations, to do these operations of matrices with the help of numpy matrices. So I hope this program is clear and you like this video. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also press the notification bell so you will be getting the notifications of my latest uploads.